Question number 3. Write the step in deducting the chemical formula of the following compound. Now children, here you don't have to write down the steps in words, but you have to show it symbolically. For example, first is sodium sulfate. Right? Now sodium is Na sulfate SO4. Right? Basic radical we write on the left hand side. And right hand side acidic radical. Below that you are going to write down the valency. So valency of sodium is 1, sodium, and of this sulfate group it is 2. Right? So this is the first step. This is the second step. Third step, what you are going to do? You are going to do the cross multiplication. So write this way. And the fourth step, you are going to write down the final formula. See here, if cancellation is there, suppose they have 2 and 2, then you can cancel out and reduce form you can write. Okay, but here nothing is possible, so we will write down Na and then with the cross multiple 2 comes. So Na2 and then SO4 1. So 1 to we won't write, so directly comes 1. Right? Clear? So this is how you are going to show the fourth step. You don't have to write that. Write the basic radical on the left hand side, write the valency below it. Now do the cross multiplication. All these steps in words you are not going to write. Symbolically you have to show it. So directly this will come. Written. Now you have to write along with me quickly. Next is potassium nitrate. Today you directly write down everything in the notebook only. All the sums only I am doing. Question number 4, which contains the question answer, that I'll be sharing it later. So potassium nitrate. First step, potassium. Potassium, what is the symbol? K. And nitrate, NO3. Right? Write down the valency. You can make the use of page number 56 to see the valency part. So potassium it is having 1, NO3 also 1. Right? And then you are going to do the cross multiplication. So your answer will be KNO3. Followed? Next one, it's ferric phosphate. See children, the word is ferric. Ferric means valency we have to take 3. Ferrous ka 2 and ferric ka we have 3. So accordingly we will be doing. So write down ferric phosphate. Ferric Fe, phosphate group, PO4. Valency is 3 and valency is this also 3. Okay, now we'll write the valency down. So second step, you are going to write down the valency. This also 3, this also 3. Right? Now third step is main step, children. When you see that they are having something which we can do the cancellation as we do in maths. So 3 ones are 3 ones are. So you have to write down in a reduced form. So is this part clear? Okay, so you will do it. And then only after taking in the reduced form, then only you are going to do the cancellation. I did a cross multiplication. So you will have Fe one time and PO4 also one time. So FePO4. Clear? This part is important. Fourth one, calcium oxide. calcium oxide. So you have calcium and you have oxide. Oxide ka comes O. Calcium ka Ca. That is the first step. Second step, please write down the valency below it. So valency of calcium plus 2, that is means 2, and oxygen also 2. Huh? So now third step, what will come? What you are going to do? Again this side also 2, this side also 2. Yes, correct. You are going to take it in a reduced form. So 1 1 will come. And then you are going to do the cross multiplication. So your answer is CaO. Clear? Now next, aluminium hydroxide. The last one is aluminium hydroxide. Aluminium, we have Al, hydroxide is OH. Second step, you write the valency. Aluminium ka we have the valency 3 and hydroxyl group has the valency 1. So third step, you are going to do the cross multiplication. So we cannot do the reduced form because it is having just 1 on the right hand side. So what will be the formula? See this children, observe everyone. Al 1 time, so Al 1 time. Now OH 3 times. So how we will write down? OH you have to write down in bracket and outside the bracket 3. It is called 3 times. And how will you read it? You will read it as AlOH thrice. AlOH thrice. Followed? So that's all about the third question. Fourth question I will be discussing because it is question answers. So slides will be there. Fifth question is done, children. Molecular formula part. Okay, so we will move to the fifth question quickly. So now we will move toward the fifth question. I hope you are written. So fifth question, right, question number 5. Write the names of the following compounds and deduce their molecular masses. So what is this exactly? You are going to write the name. You should know the name of the compound. So you have first one Na2SO4. Can you anyone name it? What is it? Name sodium sulfate. Right? So write down as sodium sulfate. Right? So after writing this, children, now we are going to find out the molecular mass. Molecular mass of Na2SO4. Now as we did during the chapter when the explanation going on, we have seen how to write down all the things. How many Na atoms are there? Write down. So there are 2 Na atoms, so 2 and then in bracket Na. Right? And then 1 time S. And how many times O is there? So you have 4 times O. Correct?
Hello.
So after writing, see 2, so 2 Na, S was 1, so 1 time S, O4 means 4 time O. You are going to see the atomic mass. I think it is given on page number 51. And children, in the exam, atomic masses will be given. Okay, so you do not worry. So you have 2. What is the atomic mass of sodium? It's 23. Plus sulfur, it's 32. and oxygen it is 16. So write down in the bracket all the atomic masses, right? So it is 1 time 32. So what is 23 twos are 46. 1 time 32 is 32. 4 into 16, 64. So now final answer, add up and tell me. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10 and plus 4, 14. So 142 Dalton is the molecular mass. So like that we are going to do of all children. Okay, so let us do it quickly. Shall we go to the next one? It's, what is the name of the compound? Anyone can think of? K2CO3. Yes, potassium and then it is carbonate group. Very good. Potassium carbonate. So you have K2CO3. Right? So we have K2 means 2 times K. Correct? So 2 times K. C means 1 times C. Correct? And then O3. O3 means 3 times O. Right? So now 2 times. What is the atomic mass of K? Find out. It's 39. Plus carbon ka it is 12 and of oxygen it is 16. Some to you have to by heart, like oxygen, hydrogen, often it comes. So 78 plus 1 into 12 is 12. 48. Always do the multiplication and then only the addition, okay? So all the multiplication you are going to complete and thereafter this. 138 Dalton. We have 138 Dalton as a molecular mass of this. Now carbon dioxide is there, next one. So now write fast, huh? And you don't try to do before me. So molecular mass of carbon dioxide, it's like what? C plus 2 times O. 1 times C plus 2 times O. So 1 times 12 plus 2 times 16. So it is 12 plus 32. Comes out to be 44 Dalton. Right? It's very easy. Next one. MgCl2. You have MgCl2. Correct? So what is it? Magnesium. Yes.
Chloride.
Very good. So it's magnesium chloride. So you have 1 MgCl2. Children, you are able to do now? The way I wanted, the molecular mass and all. So let's do. So it will be 1 times Mg plus 2 times Cl. Isn't it? So you have 1 times. Find out the molecular mass of Mg. 24 plus 2 times fluorine is 35.5. Okay. So it is 24 plus 71. 24 plus 71 is 95. So 95 Dalton. Now you have the next one as AlPO4. It's aluminium. Al sat for aluminium, na? And this is phosphate group. So aluminium phosphate. Right? So we have here AlPO4 na. So 1 time Al plus 1 time P plus 4 times O. Right? So 1 time aluminium 23 plus 1 time phosphorus, I think it is 31. Somebody can check on the Google also, no problem. Plus 4 times 16. Right? So you have 23 plus 31 plus 64. Right? So you have here 4 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. 6 plus 3, 9, 10 and 11. Right? So you have 118 Dalton. Right? Next one. It's the last one. NaHCO3. So it is sodium bicarbonate. We have sodium bicarbonate. H stands for bi. Okay. If it is Na2CO3, it will be sodium carbonate. As you have NaHCO3, H you say bi. Sodium bicarbonate. So how it will be, children? Na 1 times Na plus 1 time H plus 1 time C and 3 times O. Right? So you have 1 time 23 plus 1 time H ka it is just 1 plus 1 time 12 plus 3 times 16. Right? Now we'll be doing the multiplication of all. So it is 23 plus 1 plus 12 plus 16 3s are 48. So it will be coming as 84 Dalton.